This is PDF to Audio, a self-hosted app that turns the books you own into audiobooks with a little AI on top. And this narration is the app's own voice. On the right side of your screen, this very book is playing inside the app. On the left, a live demo of everything it describes. This video covers the core idea from start to finish. It is part of a short series, but each video stands on its own, so this one is all you need to get going. So here, on the left side of the split screen, we are looking at the home page. This is your library, and the drop area at the top is how books come in. Drag a PDF onto it or click it and pick one. Once a file is staged, the checkboxes decide how far the app should go. Check Extract Chapters now, and check Synthesize Audio after extraction, and controls appear for the voice and the speed of the narration. There is also a smarter option, LLM Chapter Detection, where the AI finds the book's table of contents and uses it to pick the proper chapter boundaries. And notice the button now reads Extract and Synthesize. That one click would do everything. Now, extraction and synthesis take some minutes, so in the interest of time, I won't press it. Instead, notice that down in the library we already have an entry for this same book, taken through the whole process ahead of time. Let's click it and look inside. The book page is organized to follow the flow a book goes through. At the top is the input, the source files. Click the PDF icon, and the original book opens in a PDF viewer, so it is always at hand. The second section is what was extracted out of it, and this is the central concept of the app, the chapters. Notice the little label next to the header. It tells you how the chapter boundaries were detected. Here, from the numbered chapter headings in the book. And the structure button opens the map behind that decision. Every heading the extraction found, with the page it sits on, and the ones that currently start a chapter. If the split came out wrong, check different headings, or ask the AI to propose boundaries from the table of contents and apply. The book is resliced exactly the way you chose. Below, in the table, each chapter carries its own text and its own audio. The buttons above the table act on whichever chapters you have selected and take them further. Maybe you want to resynthesize some with a different voice or make some edits. Clicking a chapter opens it up. In here you can preview and edit the text, play the chunks of audio it generated, follow along as the text highlights itself, resynthesize just this one chapter, or ask the AI questions about it. There is more in here, but those features we will cover later. Once you are happy with your chapters, the final part is to assemble. An assembly simply stitches the checked chapters together, in order, into one final MP3 with proper chapter markers. And the end result lands at the bottom in the assemblies section. Play it right here, or download it and import it into your favorite audiobook player, Book Player for example, and it will show the chapters and remember your position. We also support exporting the book as an EPUB with audio overlays for read-along in Storyteller, but that deserves its own video. One more thing, and it is the reason this app exists. We think all of this should be free. If you own a book, you should be able to make a digital version of it and a free audiobook from it. What varies and what may cost money is the quality of the models. Some voices and some of the AI are paid services, but the free ones, like Kakaro, or even the voices built into your operating system, are genuinely good, so nothing here blocks you. This is an ongoing project with a long list of ideas, and what you are seeing is where it stands as of this recording. As you watch, you will notice little buttons everywhere. They are self-explanatory on purpose. Hover, click, experiment. The app is full of small quality-of-life touches, and the best way to find them is to poke around. So that is the core idea. Import, extract, synthesize, assemble, listen. The other videos go deeper, asking your books questions, translating and transforming them, scaling up to a whole library, reading along on your phone, and extending the app with scripts. Watch whichever one matches what you need.